Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a static timing analysis challenge. I have a big complex design and it is not working. I tried it starting from 100 MHz to 1 MHz as an operating frequency, but at all the frequencies, my design is not working as expected. Because in my complex design, this is one of the critical path, flip-flop 1 to flip-flop 2 path, where timing is failing. And because of this critical path, my design is not working. Now my question to you is, how will you make this design work, at least at lower frequencies, without changing the design and without changing the constraints? Now you can pause my video here. Try to think of its answer. If anything comes to your mind, you can write it down in the comment section. We can start a discussion there. Otherwise, I am going to reveal its solution. Friends, for my complex design, I created a create clock constraint and I have given a clock frequency of 100 MHz. In create clock constraint, usually we give period value. So period is 10 nanoseconds. So after the placement and routing is done, and finally the report claims that hold slack is negative and setup slack is positive. Because hold slack is negative, which is independent of the clock frequency. And that is why my design is failing at all the operating frequencies. If your design has a hold time slack as negative and your design is failing, it will fail at all the frequencies. And that is the reason why our design under consideration is failing at all the frequencies starting from 100 MHz to 1 MHz. But the question is, we cannot change design and we cannot change constraint. How should I fix it? Friends, let us say this is my design having hold slack of minus 0.25 nanosecond and its effect is fails at all the frequencies starting from 100 MHz to 1 MHz. And as I told you, the condition is I cannot change the design, I cannot change the constraint. But the PNR tool provides strategies. Strategies are defined by the user which helps the PNR tool how to do placement and routing. Though we have already given constraints, but apart from the constraint there is another term. That is why I prepared this video, that is called strategy. I worked on Vivado and this is a tool for FPGA and it comes from Xilinx and now it is AMD. It provides many strategies. So one of the strategies that we can use is called hold fix strategy in Vivado tool. And similar strategies are available in the ASIC domain also. So when we give this command, how it instructs the PNR tool that my hold time is priority with respect to the setup time. Now with this strategy is applied, that becomes a guidance for the PNR tool. So with this, wherever timing is failed, it tries to increase the data path delay to meet the hold time violations. Or it can increase the delay of this data path. Routing delay can be increased or component delay can be increased. So in a nutshell, we can say that if we want to meet the hold time requirements, we have to increase the data path delay and there are multiple ways to do so. So our strategy will become guidance for the PNR tool. So after this strategy, our hold check may become positive. There are quite high chances that hold time will become positive. Now, when these delays are added, definitely they will impact negatively to the setup time. Now my PNR tool may or may not be able to meet setup requirement. If it is able to meet setup requirement, which is rare, then my design will work from 100 MHz to 1 MHz. But in case it is not able to meet, my setup slack is still negative. But I can assure you that it will start working at 1 MHz and it may work for 50 MHz, 60 MHz depending upon the negative slack on the setup time. So this is how we can make our design work at least at slower frequencies if my design was not working because of the hold violations. I think this idea should be very clear to all of you that apart from design changes, constraints, there is another term exists that is called strategy and strategy is a guidance for the PNR tool. I hope that the knowledge that I shared in this video will be quite informative for all of you. And if you also like this video, you can press the like button and you can share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also we will create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your time.